I'm going to share with you guys 10 different drone cinematic shots that can be used for real estate or any other type of shoots. Check this out. What's up guys, Myung here from Project Studios. So when it comes to real estate video shooting with your drone, there's only a certain amount of time that you have for each shot to show as much as you can about the real estate property, right? So for example, you want each of the shot to show not only the house, but maybe the neighbor, the horizon, the view that's behind it. So you don't want to waste your time just kind of like doing random shots that might just show the house, but it doesn't really show anything else. So here are 10 moves that you can do for real estate video that I highly recommend. And you could, of course, on top of that, add your own creative movement as well. Start with 180 degrees in front of the house. Stop after 180 degrees has ended. And you can start again when you go to the back of the house. Now, be sure you're close enough that we know which house is the main house. And be sure to angle it so you can also see the horizon in your shot. So you're getting your shot from either the left or the right side of the house and let it just fly all the way across to the other side of the house. Restart the 180 degrees at the back of the house. It's too difficult to try to get the full 360 properly unless there's no trees or anything blocking it. So start once again getting that point of interest shot from the back of the house, starting from either left or right. And if you need to make adjustments, do it slowly. If you need to tilt the camera up or down, or if you need to fly up, higher or lower, then just do it in a subtle way where you can still use that shot. It's always best that when you reach the center of the house, that's when you can make the adjustment, because a lot of the times I don't really use the center shot anyways. So lock into your house and get this shot as you're going forward, and then you tilt your camera down slowly. And this way you get to see the horizon just before you get to your house shot. Now lock in on the center of the house and go up slowly as you tilt your camera downwards. So you got to do it at almost the same type of speed so you get that smooth movement. Make sure you pick the best side of your house. So like you see here, you see the garage door. So this angle would obviously be the best compared to the other angle where there's a tree blocking it, and like that one. So this shot allows you to leave the house to show the surrounding areas of the house. And notice the horizon is at the rule of third position. Now lock into your house, and this is a chance that you could get a creative shot. As you're flying upwards, you're also keeping the house in the middle. Find a good starting point with the backyard showing, and then just go straight up to show the whole property. This is a reveal shot of how close this house is to the surrounding area, like the golf course. Or if you're near a beach, angle it so that by the time you fly out, you see the beach in the distance. If the backyard is nice, then get this shot. Same thing as the one I mentioned earlier. Just lock in your house, fly down, fly up, while you tilt your camera so that the house is always in the center. So this is our standard ending shot. So don't miss this. Slowly move the camera so the horizon is at the rule of third line. And while you're up there, get some neighborhood shots. You can fly forward, pan left or right, or fly backwards, and just kind of aim it to the area where it's nice. As you can see here, there's a little man-made lake, I think, and if there's a nice mountain view, just kind of go towards that area and get your surrounding area shot. Well, that concludes for the drone cinematic shots. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any kind of questions. I'm here to help. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.